Probably heard a lot about deep learning, but what is it and what's all the hype about?
Deep learning is a machine learning technique that uses deep neural networks, that is, networks with many layers, to make predictions. If you wanted to use a traditional machine learning method to, say, recognize handwritten digits, you'd first have to figure out some metrics, or features of the images, that could be used to distinguish each digit. You'd calculate those features for your image set and then use the features to train a classifier. With deep learning, the goal is to perform end-to-end learning. That is, the images themselves are the inputs, and both the features and the classification are learned directly from the images. This course focuses on using deep neural networks in MATLAB to perform image recognition tasks. Image recognition is making headlines because it's easy for humans, but traditionally very hard for computers. Image recognition is playing an increasingly larger role in modern life, like driver assistance systems, which need to know whether the car's camera is looking at another vehicle, a pedestrian, or a tree. Or a medical imaging system that can give a preliminary diagnosis from the image, just like a human specialist would. In this course, you will classify images with networks that have already been trained on image data. Then, you'll customize this network for a new application. By the end, you will have a network that classifies different flowers. You don't need to learn a lot of theory to start using deep neural networks for your applications, but it will help if you know a little bit of MATLAB, just the basics. If you've never used MATLAB before, it's easy to get started, and we recommend you first take MATLAB Onramp to quickly get up to speed. This course should take about 2 hours to complete, but you can leave any time and come back later. Throughout the course, you'll be interacting with the web-based version of MATLAB inside our training environment. It has a slightly different look and feel from MATLAB Online or the desktop version of MATLAB, but don't worry, you're using the exact same MATLAB language. Enjoy the course!